Hello everyone, welcome to my Learn Chinese channel. This is Miss Ming. In this video, we will talk about how to describe your hometown. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell for notifications for future videos. Alright, let's get started. The word in Chinese when we describe hometown is 家乡. 家乡. 家 means home. 乡 means town. So 家乡 together, of course, means hometown. Alright, so first, please allow me to introduce myself. My hometown is in Beijing, China. To say the sentence in Chinese, you can say 我的家乡在中国北京。我的家乡在中国北京。我的 means mine. 家乡 means hometown. 在 means at. Usually in Chinese, we don't have the auxiliary verb MSR. Then 中国 means China. 北京, of course, Beijing. So usually when we describe location, we try to describe something bigger and then something smaller. For example, if Beijing belongs to China, we would first say China and then Beijing. So the same with if you live in a district of Beijing. For example, I'm from Haidian district in Beijing. In that case, we would say 北京海淀 because we always go from a broader place to a more narrow place. Let's try one more time. 我的家乡在中国北京。Another way to say this sentence is to say, I come from China, Beijing. In that case, you can say, 我来自中国北京。来自 means come from. 来 means come. 自 usually is a preposition, means from something, or it also means self. 我来自中国北京。Also, recently I went back to China to visit my hometown and my family, and I also went back to the Summer Palace where I got engaged. So if you're interested in my life in Beijing, I also uploaded a lot of vlog videos in my lifestyle channel. My lifestyle channel is called Miss Ming Lifestyle. If you're interested, make sure you check it out. I'll put the link in the comment and the description down below. Beijing is the capital city of China. 北京是中国的首都。北京是中国的首都。The word 的 indicates a possessive relationship. 中国的首都 means the capital city of China. So really, 的 right here indicates the possessive of. And of course, in English, the word order is a little bit different. 首都 is the capital city. 首 means first or head. 都 is a short form of 都城 is city. 首都 basically means the head city, which is the capital city. Alright, let's try one more time. Beijing is the capital city of China. 北京是中国的首都。北京是中国的首都。But what if your city is not the capital city of your country? Don't worry, you can also say my hometown is a city in the country. 我的家乡是 country 的一座城市。城市 means city. 座 is the quantifier that we use to quantify cities. 我的家乡是 country name 的一座城市。Some of us may live in the countryside. Don't worry, you can also describe my hometown is the countryside or a village in the country. You can say 我的家乡是 country name 的一个乡村。乡村 means countryside or villages. 个 is the quantifier that we usually use to quantify villages. 我的家乡是 country name 的一个乡村。My hometown has many beautiful sceneries. My hometown, 我的家乡。有 means has or have. Usually it indicates possessive or existence. For example, if there is a person in the room, you can say the room 有 a person because the person exists in the room. 美丽的 is the adjective beautiful. 美丽的 beautiful. 风景 scenery. 风景 scenery. My hometown has many beautiful sceneries. 我的家乡有很多美丽的风景。Also, there are many modern city buildings in Beijing. To say that, you can just simply put a comma and then say, also has modern city buildings. 也有现代的都市建筑。也有现代的都市建筑。也 means also. 有 means have or has. 现代的 means modern. 都市 means city. 建筑 means buildings or architecture. 也有现代的都市建筑。也 is a high-frequency word that's commonly used in everyday Chinese. It usually appears after the subject and before the verb or the adjective. For example, if I want to say, I like dogs, he also likes dogs. It would say, 我喜欢狗，他也喜欢狗。So make sure that you put the word 也 or also right after the subject. So this one is a little bit different from English because sometimes you can also say, I like dogs, he likes dogs too. But usually in Chinese, the word also appears right after the subject. Usually when introducing our hometown, we love to give the visitors some recommendations of what to visit when they're visiting our hometown. So you can also follow your conversation with, if you come to Beijing, make sure you visit A, B, C, D, E. To say, if you come to Beijing, you can say, 如果你来北京。如果你来北京。如果 means if. 你 means you. 来, we talked about it before, means come. If you come. 如果你来。如果你来 it means if you come to somewhere, and you can just put the name of your hometown right after 来. And please note that in Chinese, we usually don't have to put a preposition unless it is indicating a very specific direction. Well, if you do have a chance to come visit Beijing, China, I do have a lot of recommendations for you guys. So make sure you check out my vlog videos in my lifestyle channel if you're interested in our recent Beijing trip. Well, let's get started on our list. Alright, going back to our original sentence stem. If you come to Beijing, 如果你来北京, make sure to go to, 一定要去，一定要去，一定 in Chinese means certain, make sure, of course, a must, 一定，一定。要 means will or want. 去 means go or go to. Make sure to go to or be sure to go to or certainly to go to is 一定要去，一定要去，一定要去。And then you can put the location names after 去. Alright, let's look at our list. The Tiananmen Square, 天安门广场. 天 means sky, 安 means peace, 门 means door or gate. 广场 refers to a big white space. That's like usually in squared shape. 天安门广场 the Tiananmen Square. The Forbidden City, 紫禁城. 紫 means purple, 禁 means forbidden, 城 means city. 紫 is a color that usually indicates prosperity. 紫禁城. The Temple of Heaven, 天坛. 天 means sky. In ancient China, people believe that the heaven is up in the sky. 坛 is usually an open, wide platform where people worship God. It's a little bit different from the traditional Buddhist temple. 天坛. Beijing Zoo, 北京动物园. 动物 means animals. 园 means garden. 动物园 is basically a garden yard full of animals. 北京动物园 Beijing Zoo. In Beijing Zoo, not only can you see pandas, 熊猫, you can also see a lot of other animals, like this black bear. And of course, you must visit the Summer Palace. Summer Palace, 颐和园. 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 If you do get a chance to visit the Summer Palace, make sure you do the boat ride. It is really, really fun. 颐和园. And of course, 园 means garden. The Olympic Center and the Olympic Park is also worth visiting. Olympic Center, 奥林匹克中心. 奥林匹克 was phonetically translated from Olympic. 中心 means center. In Olympic Center, you can go visit 鸟巢. 鸟 means bird. 巢 means nest. You can also go to the National Aquatic Center. 水立方. 水立方. 水 means water. 立方 means cube. Basically, the National Aquatic Center was built in a shape that's like a water cube. And if you do go, make sure you bring your bathing suit. It actually has a water park inside of the aquatic center. If you like to go shopping, you can go to the fancy shopping center, Wangfujing. Wangfujing. In here you can see a lot of Chinese brands and also American or international brands. But if you're willing to really get some local souvenirs, make sure you go to Panjiayuan. If you do go, make sure you bargain because you can always make the price go down a little bit. And you can have access to these shopping areas all through the subways. And of course, a must-see place in Beijing is the Great Wall. The Great Wall in Chinese is 长城. 长城. 长 means long. 城 means city. 长城 means a long city. So it's actually not a wall because you can actually go up there. There is an old saying in Chinese called 不到长城非好汉. He who has never been to the Great Wall is not a true man. And that's why you have to go. 不到 means not arrive. 到 means arrive in or arrive at. 不到长城 not arrive at 长城. 非 means not. It usually denies something. 好汉 means a good, true man. 不到长城非好汉. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you find it helpful or if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And also before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also ring the bell so that you won't miss out any future free lessons. And also if you're interested in my recent vlog videos in China, make sure you check out my other lifestyle channel. And I was thinking about doing a Chinese food terminology series in this channel. If you like to watch it, make sure you comment down below so that I know that it would be helpful for you. Alright, that's it for today. Thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye! Happy learning!